Hello, this is Abdul. So this video is a continuation from the prior video I made. This video is going to be about how to work on grids, how to copy monitor grids from an architecture file. So let me open my architecture file, which I worked on previously using Revit. So in the previous video, in this architecture file, I worked on the levels. I worked on how to link this exact architecture file. I worked on how to import and copy monitor levels. I worked on how to set up floor plans from those levels. So in this continuing video, I'm going to work on these grids. So you see we have these architecture grids. They are not now native in my electrical template project since they are architecture, so I can't click on them. So what I'm going to do, let us step into it right away. I'm going to go to collaborate. Then I'm going to go on copy monitor. Then I'm going to select link. Which link do I want to copy monitor? This link. So now it takes me to this copy monitor modifying tab. So I'm going to say copy and I'm going to select multiple since there are many grids and I want to select them at once. So click on multiple and then I highlight the whole model and then I go to filter. I want to filter out only grids since they are the ones I'm interested in. I'm going to click on check line and then I select only the grids. I want to make sure that I only have grids. Then I click on apply and then OK. So these are the grids selected. So now I'm going to first finish the multiple selection. So click on finish, selecting multiple. This one is going to take me to another tab which is modified grids. This tab. However, I want to just finish the copy monitor. Now I finish copy monitor also. So now if I click on the grid, you will see it brings a sign of copy monitor, this one. So it's showing that this grid is copy monitored. What this basically means that if any change happens on this grid in the linked architectural model, Revit is going to send me a message that hey, there is a change which happened on this grid. So this basically helps a lot when you're working in a multidisciplinary farm, or basically this is how we work. Like we have an architect working on the project and engineers, civil electrical structure. We are working on the same model. So to collaborate, once anyone makes a change in these grids, the entire team is going to be notified. It's going to be notified. So now I've, I've finished my copy monitoring. So now I want to confirm that this is actually copy monitored. So I want to hide my architecture mode. However, since I'm in the electrical template, there are some things which I don't have access to. Let me first show you. If I click on this BT graphics, this shortcut is VG. Then I go to Revit and see that it is grayed out. So I can't do nothing that. So this because I'm in the electrical template, so I'm using the settings of the electrical template. So if I select none, so that there is no particular display name, apply, OK. Then I press VG again, everything, then see now it's no longer grayed out. So now I can hide it, apply, OK. So now these are my copy monitored grids. Now let me bring back the picture link again, everything, Revit project availability, apply, OK. Now the use of these grids, usually this is where we have the the beams running, and also the intersection of these grids where I usually have columns in real life. Also, when the civil engineers are casting, they usually don't cast the slab at once, usually on big projects. Big projects. You can say let us cast from grid A to grid D, so they cast this entire area, and then they cast the rest using these grid references. Also, to navigate easily on the slabs, if you're putting electrical conduits and what the conduits and the stuff also if you are putting those circular boxes for the lights and what. Usually for easy reference we use these grids on the side. So they are very helpful. Okay, so that's what I had for you today.